Men, low energy, weak stamina, or poor focus? Try this powerful homemade drink. You need garlic, ginger, coffee, hot water, lemon juice, walnut oil, and honey. Crush 1 clove of garlic and let it rest for 2 minutes. This helps activate compounds that support blood flow. Add ½ teaspoon grated ginger for strength and circulation. Then add ½ teaspoon coffee powder for natural energy. Pour 1 cup of hot water, not boiling. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon walnut oil for healthy fats, and 1 teaspoon honey for smooth energy. Stir well. Drink once daily in the morning on an empty stomach. This may help boost energy, stamina, and men's overall strength. Try it for 7 days. Subscribe for more men's health tips.